last songs, well, first and last, we just got one for you. This is a song that's very popular in Scotland. It's called Caledonia. It's by a man called Dougie MacLean. And he wrote this in the 1960s. It's become a kind of modern folk song. It's very popular. Anyone heard of it? Yeah. And so he wrote it. He was traveling all around the world, and he wrote this song on a beach in Thailand when he was on the opposite side of the world, and he just felt a wee bit homesick. And so he wrote this song, which is a kind of love letter to Scotland. And I thought this would be a good way to finish things up, because we've been to Scotland. I'm from there, and it's called Caledonia, and which means Scotland. And the story behind it, basically, it's sort of saying, go around the world, go travel, go see places, but wherever you are, you always keep a little piece of your home in your heart. So I think we're all travelers here, and hopefully this resonates with everybody. So I hope you enjoy it. So we're going to finish off this evening for you with Caledonia. I don't know if you can see the changes that have come over me in these last few days. I've been afraid that I might drift away. Well, I've been telling old stories, singing old songs that make me think about where I came from. That's the reason why I seem so far away today. So let me tell you that I love you, and I think about you all the time. Caledonia's been calling me, and now I'm going home. But if I should become a stranger, you know that it would make me more than sad. Caledonia's been everything I've ever had. Well, I have moved, and I've kept on moving. I've proved the points that I needed proving. I've lost the friends that I needed losing, found others on the way. Well, I have tried, and I've kept on trying. Stolen dreams, well, there's no denying. I've traveled hard with a conscience flying, somewhere bringing the wind. So let me tell you that I love you, and I think about you all the time. Caledonia's been calling me, and now I'm going home. But if I should become a stranger, you know that it would make me more than sad. Caledonia's been everything I ever had. One more verse. Now I'm sitting here before the fire, the empty room and the forest choir. The flames that couldn't get any higher, they've withered, now they're gone. But I am steady thinking, my way's clear, and I know what I must do tomorrow. When the hands have shaken and the kisses flown, then I will disappear. So let me tell you that I love you, and I think about you all the time. Caledonia, you're calling me, and now I'm going home. But if I should become a stranger, you know that it would make me more than sad. Caledonia. Caledonia's been everything I've ever had. Caledonia's been everything I've ever had. Thank you very much. Give it up for Nick. Thank you so much. And thank you very much for John in the booth there for setting all this up. It's amazing. And a final thank you to all of you. You've been absolutely wonderful. Thank you.